How to make pecar butterfly.
Me at the